Hello guys, welcome to my channel Techmon.in. I'm starting a new playlist named Short and Simple. In this, I will be explaining concepts in most simplest manner, as well as I will try to keep the amount of time taken as short as possible. So in this part, I will be explaining how we can rename column. I'm not going through how to initialize Spark context or load the libraries. So I've already loaded the dataset here, wine dataset. So as you can see, I have printed five rows here, and as you can see here, the column names are not coming out to be correct. I printed out the column names dataframe.columns, and as you can see here, we have tabs in the beginning. Then we also have these numbers in the columns, right? So we will learn how to clean those, right? So first I will be cleaning them. So I will assign columns, let's say old columns equal to wine data dot columns. Okay. So before that, I will rename one column manually. So wine data equals to wine data dot with column renamed. Okay. So with column rename, and this function takes in two parameter. First one is old column name. Okay. So in our case, it is class. Let's rename class with C capital. Okay. And second parameter is the new column name. So let's say in small class label. Okay. Now let me just print out the columns. Okay. So as you can see, we have renamed the column. Now, next, what I'm going to do here, I will clean this column names. So this contains our old column names. Okay. Now what we'll do, we will loop over it using list comprehensions, new column name. Okay. So now I'm going to write for each call over, we are iterating over old columns. So we will read each column name one by one, and then what we'll do first, call dot strip. We will remove any uh, spaces or tab or anything. Okay, and then what we are going to do, we are as you can see here, uh, every number ends with a bracket, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to split this on closing bracket. So now let me pick one name and quickly show you how we are going to do it. So first we are doing strip over t space, right? So as you can see here, oh, actually it, as you can see, the tabs and spaces have been removed. Then what we are going to do, split on closing bracket. As you can see, it split this on closing bracket, and we know our name is in second place, which is first in index, right? And then as you can also see here, we have space. So again, let's strip it dot strip. Okay, now with this we have got our column. So I'll be copying it, pasting here, and what I'm going to do, So as you can see here, the pattern breaks for first, right? So what we are going to do, manually introduce it for this one. As you can see here, now let's repull. As we can see, we have already cleaned this one. Now I'm just going to print the new column names. So as you can see here, we have new column names, but yeah, the these are in caps. So one more thing I'll be doing is just converting them in lowercase. Okay, these are the new column names. Also, one more cleaning. Uh, there are spaces, so let's also remove them. Place space with underscore sign. Now our new column names are ready. So now what we are going, we'll quickly see how we can apply multiple, rename multiple column names. So I'll be picking my this. So again, to rename columns, I will iterate over old col, new col, and I'll be using zip function in Python to merge them two together. First parameter old columns, here it will be new columns. So let me also print out so you can see what we are getting at each time. Okay, and then let me first print them out. So as you can see here, what I'm getting old column name, and then after that new column, right? And we are getting this for all the columns. So now we can let me erase it. Now what we are going to do is, we in Vine dataset we are going to rename the columns. Okay, so my first parameter will be old col here, and my second parameter will be new column name, which is here. Now we are done. So let me print out the columns. As you can see here, the new column names look like these, which we just cleaned above. And let me also print out the print out some of the records. Let's say 5. And second parameter is to whether to truncate the data or not. As you can see here, our new data set is ready with clean column names. So that's it for this tutorial. Hope you enjoy it and learn from it. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.